Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change your age on TikTok. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. If you entered an incorrect date of birth during registration or you want to change it, then watch this video to the end. So all we need is to open the TikTok and log into your profile, then click in the upper right corner and go to settings. Scroll down and click report a problem. Then scroll down and select submit a report. In this message we write, "Hello, I need to update my date of birth in my account. Now the date of birth is incorrect and I am ready to provide my passport or ID card to confirm my age. Please help me solve my problem." Click submit, then wait for some time and the technical support will see your message and will definitely solve this problem. That's how easy it is. Also watch my other videos about TikTok at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye. Have a nice day.